Okay, Micro Duda here again with the special unboxing of my new microphone that we'll see if I'll keep or not. It's made by a company called Aokea microphone, desktop mic. Basically, it's a USB type. I needed something to be able to record from my PC, my home PC, and also if I needed to do any kind of voice over IP or any kind of webcam broadcasting or any type. So I needed to find something that was easy to use, plug and play straight into my PC. The reviews on Amazon said it had pretty good, decent reviews. So I'm basically going to try it against this little cheapo here I bought from Walmart for like $6. So this one kind of sounds a little cheesy, like you're in a tin can. And I needed to find something a little bit better than that. So we'll see how this one goes. So let's see what's in the box here. Let's just go around the back here and see what we have in the specifications. Whoa, oh, come on now. All right, so real quick here, just basically podcasting, gaming, USB. It's got a little switch there, 2.4 millimeter cable. Yeah, a little bit of information there for you guys that are like gurus into all the voice output stuff and frequency range and sensitivity and all that good stuff. All right, nothing basic there. All right, so let's see what's in the box. So this is kind of neat because this has a little more of a gaming style. Here's the manual. Not sure there's much to it, but because it's supposed to be just plug and play. But check this out. Ah, it looks pretty. Actually, does pretty nice. Wow, look at that. Does not look cheap at all. This cost me about $23, I think, on Amazon. So it wasn't the cheapest of the microphones. And it actually looks pretty cool. So if you have, your standard microphone here, look at that thing, and look at this one here. So this is actually probably pretty good for gamers because it's a long. I mean, this thing's. I mean, look at the difference here. Yeah, you see that? That's pretty cool there. So I actually ordered another microphone out Best Buy, but hopefully this one sounds better because I really like the way it looks. So it's got a shotgun type tip here. If you look at it real quick here, which looks pretty cool. I like the way it looks. This reminds me of my other shotgun microphone. I forget the brand of this one here. Look at this one I have. This is look at this one. So this is actually for a cell phone. So it's almost pretty similar. Shotgun type there. All right. So let's zoom in here so we can look at it again. See the tip there. Can't get good. There it is. So it's got pretty good feel. Is it plastic? Or it's like metal feel. That's metal. So it definitely doesn't feel cheap at all. And then look at the tip here. You guys can get the focus in here. Wow, I can't get that good a focus. So this here has a, I guess it's an on-off button. Basically on-off. If you want to turn the microphone off so it's not broadcasting your voice there. But I'm really impressed. The build quality, I mean, for $23, the build quality definitely speaks it. We'll see how it sounds. I mean, what sense, what good is it if it doesn't sound that great? So we're gonna see how that sounds. Hopefully, it has a pretty good dynamic range. Hopefully, it has good voice pickups. What I'll do is I'll see if I'll join the microphone test along with this video, and then we'll go from there. All right, so my next part here will be the sound test. Okay, so here's the microphone test with the new it was an Aokea microphone, USB microphone that I just got, and basically it should give us a lot better sound than this little $6 microphone. I'll do a test on this one next so you can see the difference. But basically, this is a USB type. It's got a nice look to it, like I saw in the unboxing there. I'm really impressed in how good it looks. Actually, the USB, once it plugs in, it lights up blue there to let you know it's on. It's also got a microphone there button that you could turn. So as you can see, if you press the button there, it actually it stopped the recording on my UCam 9 software. So yeah, that's kind of interesting. So, as long as you click the button and it turns off. So at least we know that works right away. it mutes you out. I'm not sure how that would work in other software, but definitely when you're recording and you just want to mute out your voice, it'll basically kill everything there. So there's that, and basically what we also have is another test we'll do right now with this $6 microphone and see how that one compares. Let me press the button to turn it off. Alright, so this next test is with this cheap, it's Cyberlink. I don't even know what brand this thing is. But basically this is an El Cheapo. I got it for like $6 off Walmart website. And with shipping it was like $13 altogether. Shipping cost just a little bit more than the actual microphone itself. So I just wanted to compare it to the Aokea USB microphone. This one's just a flat 2.3 millimeter, 3.5 millimeter plug-in into the back of your motherboard or your front or whatever you have going there. So testing 1 2 1 2, testing 1 2 1 2 for that. Next we'll test the built-in microphone from my little Wise webcam that I made there, that I hacked from the Wise security camera. Okay, for the last test here, this is just a straight microphone from the built-in Wise security camera. I got this little, it's actually a home security camera that you could actually flash a software to it to make it a home webcam. So this is the built-in microphone from that. Of course, this probably should sound the worst out of all three of these because that one's not really made to be a webcam. It's more security cam. So there's that. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so I hit the 1,000 subscribers. And then write in the comments, see which one you like. Until next time, peace.